Hi everyone, welcome. Today, this afternoon, I've promised you to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday Saturday edition. On Sunday we have no newspaper. We have here in the Friday edition. Saturday we have also no newspaper because Saturday was the King's Day. Yes. So we have 5 puzzles left. 2 in the puzzle page, the Two Stars Sudoku, and binary puzzle. And we have also here the additional of the Saturday, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku. So we have 3 puzzles left. I will do this Sunday, and I will start with this one, the 2 Stars Sudoku. And the 2 Stars Sudoku will be number 8440. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 36 printed digits. Should be an easy one, 36. I think should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle. I need 13 minutes. And it's indicated with 2 stars, and for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, let's get started. Let me start with the number. There's a lot of 5s. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5, okay. And then 3 here, yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright, then let me see. How about the 7? 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright, and now let me see. Then. Well. How about 6 in this last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. How about 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 8. All right, and now, two missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 6, number 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Same numbers. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. Same numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Wow. Surprise, surprise. Definitely a 0 stars. Faster than 14, 13 minutes. Of course, we have 36 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Alright. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle. The binary puzzle with 3 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.